In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your account Snapchat to a public profile for business and creators. Now all you have to do is to go ahead to your browser, then go ahead type in business.snapchat.com. After that, go ahead, click on the second link, which is Business Snapchat Manager. Then this web page will pop up for you. Just go ahead, log in to your public Snapchat. Make sure it's public and not private. Then just enter your business details, the name and email and your account name. Then click on next. And now after you do that, just go ahead, choose which country your business is based in and the currency you want to work with. Then type in your phone number, then click on next. After that, just go ahead, click on create a public profile if you want to use the same account, or you can use a different username. Now click on create public profile and give it some time to load. And congrats, your business profile has been created and you can start creating right away. Just verify your business email and set your address and add a payment method. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.